What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today you join me for a very exciting video. I've travelled all the way to Ipswich to a rolling race event called Terminal Velocity. It's a half-a-mile run. You start from 40 miles per hour, which means it's a lot more suited to my M4. Doing Santa Pod and even VMAX, you start from a dig where we know that my car spins up like hell. Even rolling from 40 miles per hour, I suspect my car's going to spin all the way through second, all the way through third. A lot better than race from a dig. There's a lot of interesting cars around me right now. We've got a Focus RS, we've got some Skoda that looks all tuned up. We've got an Audi R8, we've got E39 M5 Sierra Cosworths. I think there's a 720S. We've even got Tommy here in his 1000 horsepower M5. So today we're definitely going to be able to find out just how quick the M4 is. It's not quite as long as VMAX, you know, it's less than half the distance. So like VMAX is 1.3 miles. This is obviously only half a mile. So Tommy told me he's hit 171, not today, but he's hit 171 in the past. I don't think my car's gonna be as quick as Tommy's, but they're the kind of speeds we can reach. So it's gonna be from 40 to say like around the 150 mark, you could say. But yeah, as always, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in a sec. So we're gonna do a sight lap with the owner. How you doing, man? You alright?
Yeah.
Good. So what we're doing now, like a little lap to show me how it's done, yeah?
Yeah, because we're not entirely convinced you can drive in a straight line. That's the problem. I've seen your videos. It's a half-mile roll, so we've got a little speed trap at the beginning.
Yeah.
That you have to go through 40 mile an hour or less. Then you accelerate as hard as you can. And we've got time and equipment at the half mile, so we get your speed and your time over that rolling half mile.
Is this your actual event?
Yeah, this is my event. I'm Matt.
Yeah.
I run the event. Been doing it for about 3 years now.
Okay.
It's the first time we've had this venue though, so we're having to be good. We're on our best behaviour.
Yeah. So anyone that's watching, if you want to attend these events, make sure to be sensible as you arrive, because like you say, you want to continue this, right?
Yeah.
And this is your M3 as well, yeah? Competition pack, F80?
M3 competition pack. We've got little bit of software, so we run about 502 brake, so that's
502,
all right.
yeah. Okay.
I'll see if we can sneak out in front of everyone because I'm the boss.
Got S3 there. This Cozzy's looking a little juicy.
We'll get it in sport mode.
Yeah. Traction off.
We'll have a little go, shall we?
Nice power that is as well, isn't it? See, it's nice as well, isn't it? Not as much stress on the car. You know what I mean? When you start doing a mile and a half, it gets very stressful for modified cars.
So now we've got to wait for a bit until the other guys come down.
Oh look, we ain't even got to wait. Boss privileges again. Straight back up.
But we have to be sensible, and I've got to go back up the way we're supposed to go. I've been told by my wife. Let's come out on the way back, so that Ricky's now seen how you drive in a straight line and how we've got to go back.
Doesn't last too long, only a few seconds. Let's see Tommy. We've got Tommy over here. Get in the car because of the wind noise. What are you saying, Tommy?
What's happening, mate? You alright?
Yeah, man. Good. So you've already been here yesterday, haven't you? So they did a quarter mile yesterday.
Yeah,
half a mile today.
Yeah.
So how's it going?
Yesterday was a write-off. I went home halfway through the day because it was just raining all day, so just a lot of wheel spin and that basically. Today's nice and dry. I think I should be doing a little bit better, but I've been fine-tuning things, and hopefully this afternoon I'll be doing pretty well.
Yeah, so you spinning up or?
Yeah, just mad traction issues. So what was happening is I've had to limit all the boost in the lower gears. Yeah. I've got that nice, but now what I keep doing is every run I keep forgetting to turn MDM off.
Right.
I need to go traction fully off, but I keep forgetting. So apart from that, I'm good.
Come on. Skyline beside. Looks like I'm a little bit ahead. We're traction off. We're going to select the gears manually. Forget MDM. It's looking like a pretty dusty service, so I'm expecting a lot of wheel spin. interesting race, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if you like noticed, but my ghost immobilizer alarm was going off, so I was actually entering my code whilst we was running then. But I didn't. I'm gonna have to look back at the camera to see what happened. But I think top end I definitely had a bit more top. But yeah, it was pretty close. Civic turbo? Turbocharger? Yeah. 510 wheel?
Yeah.
Wow.
Then it ran out of fuel, so it's got to go back to more.
And what have you run here so far?
142. The engine's built, it's forged.
Right.
It's not, it's still stock block.
Yeah.
Nothing's done to the block, it's just internals, valve springs.
How much weight you got out of it?
Quite a bit, I think about 1100.
1100, yeah? So guys, we've got an M140 beside us. He's running about 440 horsepower. Methanol injection also. Didn't ask him where it's tuned by. This guy, he's in the channel as well. So obviously, he's trying to smoke me right now. There, man.
Yeah, could you?
Yeah, just obviously I said to them the mods. What's the actual car spec and that?
M135. It's
M13.
430.
Okay, who's it?
Usual bolt-ons.
Tuned by?
JB4.
JB4, okay.
It's got a custom map 6 though, running meth.
Right.
Intercooler, decat. AFC induction gear, all the usual sort of stuff.
LSD or?
Nah.
No LSD?
Nah.
Thinking about it?
Yeah, it needs one definitely. Yeah, definitely.
Okay, man. Right, so next run, I've just spoke to Tommy. I'm going to run his M5, obviously. His car's a complete beast. You know, on the VMAX, his car would shine a lot more. I think he's still going to smoke me here, but it's going to be very interesting. Man, it's weird on this surface. Like, the car feels really boaty. And it's funny because for the first time, I'm on an open straight, and I'm sitting there like, what, is that it? Like, is that all the power? Like, I'm actually needing more power. I had big wheel spin then in third as well, massive wheel spin. Yeah, you see it there. Hopefully the video caught it. Geez, you can imagine how happy I am with that result. Bloody hell, man. Tommy's M5, you know how fast Tommy's car is. He did 2:14. Like I say, you know, don't take anything away from that. His car would have obviously won if it was a longer straight. It's only about, I think he said it's about 16 seconds long, this race. So all of the races are going to be fairly close. I think that'll be the clickbait for this video actually. I'm going to try and get a run with the R8. I don't know if that's going to be possible, but that's the only other car. Looks like a facelift one, so it's about 620 horsepower. But I definitely think, I know Paul's watching right now, he's going to be creasing. The argument me and Paul was having was traction issues. And I know it's dry, 20 degrees, but it's a really dusty road, as you see. Massive wheel spin in third gear. Let's get this engine bay open. Like I say, car felt like it was getting a little bit hot. Let that cool down. Probably get some munch now. So I think I've done a 155. And what have you got, Tommy? 165?
Yeah, 165.
165. So 10 miles per hour difference, man. Yeah, we're out in Tommy's car. You've got some bucket seats in there now as well, haven't you?
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, nice and low.
Trying to shave some weight.
So no one's still beat you, have they, Tommy? 2:14.
No one's even come close to beating me. The half mile and the top speed, I'm just on my own at the moment. I sort of want someone to beat me.
Yeah?
So yeah, we'll see. It's good for progression, isn't it? But
yeah.
I don't think no one's got the balls for it at the moment.
Okay, I see. UK's fastest F10 M5, yo. Come on. So we're gonna race the R6. I mean, if Tommy don't do him, I'm definitely not doing him. Hang on, buddy.
I I reckon he's going to overtake us. I mean, he'll get to about 150 and he'll just fly off in front. Yeah.
Right, I think we're finally going to run now.
The brakes ain't working! Ah! My 100 to 200 time here is like 8.4, where normally I can run in the 4, so it's like literally twice as long. Quarter mile, 15 seconds, another 100 to 200, 7.2. Yeah, like these times are like a stock M5 times because of the traction.
So there you go, it just shows the surface is not... Basically,
the surface isn't right. I just looked through my log and my throttle most of the run is stuck at like 40%, and when it goes over it just slips. So here we've got Ricky from Living Life Fast.
Come on. Last run, we've got an R6 beside us.
In the Super M4.
Super M4.
Up against the Yamaha R6.
Yeah. What, 200 kilos, Tommy?
Yeah, just shy of 200 kilos, about 120, 130 brake horsepower.
Yeah.
Has no trouble sticking down the power either.
I'm gonna go for a third gear, I think. That's my favourite race of the day, and I was a passenger. That was savage, mate. That was so cool. See how it rides through third? It just...
Yeah.
You got to just ride it. But that was alright, because we got a bit more
some
weight
good
in the car.
driving there, mate. You had to proper be on the wheel on that.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Right, so I'm going to end it there, guys. As always, if you did enjoy it, please remember to smash the thumbs up. Also consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. I can tell you there's going to be a lot more track content on this channel. Tomorrow morning, I'm off to Bedford to go do a track day on a Honda Civic. It's a fully track prepped car. I'm going to be getting some ideas on what to do with my car. Recently, I went to Palmer Sport. Ever since going to Palmer Sport, I didn't document the day. I absolutely got smoked. I'm not going to lie to you. I got smoked by quite a few people, and I definitely didn't perform my best at Palmer Sport, but as I say, it's inspired me to want to really improve my driving skills. Driving fast on the road and driving fast on the track are two different things, and I'm fully aware of this anyway. But like I say, the Civic Type R, I know you're all waiting for an update. There's going to be some very, very interesting stuff coming with that. So I'm going to leave it there. As always, thank you for watching.
Cheers, mate. Thanks
yeah, thank you, man. Thank you. Brilliant day I had.
Good. You enjoyed it?
Yeah, wicked, man. Honestly,
he can drive in a straight line. So he was sketchy at some point. He was very straight.
Yeah.
But right, you follow me out.
Yeah, wicked. Take it easy, man. See ya. See you later, guys.